I remember dati no medyo baguhan pa ako, I was trying to ask for a sponsored chair from Secret Lab. And finally, after so many years in the industry, sa Tech Review, nagparamdam na si Secret Lab. So meaning, I already made it, sikat na tayo. Charot. Thank you nga pala Secret Lab for sending me this massive chair na kailangan ko i-unbox today and i-assemble natin para makasama ang ating gaming PC. And this is the Secret Lab na Titan Evo Cookies and Cream Edition. Tara, buksan natin. So guys, kung mag-isa ka lang sa bahay and plano mong buhatin tong box na ito, honestly, I'll tell you, sobrang bigat daw. At least 2 tao para mabuhat mo itong box na ito. So, buksan muna natin. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo unboxing experience ko. So, your unboxing experience starts here. And ito yung pangalan, Secret Lab Titan Evo Cookies and Cream Edition. So, ayan. Buksan muna natin. So, basahin lang natin, no? May patent pending siya na magnetic memory foam, 4-way adapt niya, lumbar support, magnetic ang kanang cloud swap, yung kanang armrest, proprietary pebble seat base. Then, of course, tensile test niya, breathability, hindi mainit sa puwet siguro, and 5 feet na drop test. Ayaw ko nang subukan. So, engineered comfort. So, yan, buksan na natin. Yun, Titan na Evo series. So, ito yung kanyang guide on how to mount this thing. So, susundan lang natin itong mga instruction niya. Bigat. So, right now, nakikita natin is ito. Yung backrest. Sabi ko muna. Ito yung kanyang magnetic na memory foam. I'm not quite sure, no? Siguro warranty card to. So, most likely, this is yung mga assembly parts niya. Armrest. More accessories. Yan. Mga gulong, yung mga hydraulic lift. Andito lahat, no? So, most likely, right now, ililift na natin tong buo. So, ito yung base niya. So, this is yung kanyang upuan na mismo. Most likely, wala na akong ibang ilalabas except this one na, no? I need to pull this one out. It's a bit heavy. Ito yung kanyang pang tilt mechanism. And ito na mismo, yung uupuan natin. You really need to run a bit of your patience removing this. So, kita na natin. So, right now, assemble muna tayo. So, okay guys, sisimulan na natin right now. Itong kanyang base, lalagyan natin yung kanyang 5 gulong, which is nandito sa box niya. So, put it one by one. So, make sure, press it down para secured. No? Ganito maging itsura niya once na nakabit mo. So, just have to put on all 5. No sweat naman, easy to install naman. Kayang-kaya i-push ng kamay. No, I've encountered other brands, yung mga mumurahin lang. Hirap. Kailangan pa ng hammer para buwaba, no? So, ito na. Yan, kompleto na. All 5. Baka ng problema. Okay, moving on. Basahin lang natin manual, no? Next is to put on yung kanyang lift. No? And most likely it's in here. Yan. Okay, we're going to insert this. Sobrang importante itong blade, no? Kasi lahat silyado. Put this one in, just like it. Ganito lang. Okay? So, meron tayong ganito, parang cone. Ganito. Pasok mo siya dito. Okay? Ganito lang. Kasimple. Okay? So, done. So, next, ikakabit na natin yung backrest natin dito sa kanyang upuan, sa kanyang base. So, what we'll do is to detach yung 4 niyang M8 na screw. Itong ganito itsura. Then, ikakabit na natin siya dito. Not sure kung kita nyo. Subla ako. Kakabit lang siya natin dito. Yan. So, this is going to be a little bit difficult. No? Ganon. Yan. So, basically, it's finishing the assembly. So, screw back natin using kanyang Allen key. Petsura. Well, honestly, mas madali pag dalawa kayo gagawa. Pero, nevertheless, it's okay. Kaya naman natin. Medyo a bit tricky lang siya, no? So, slide in mo yung isang side. Yung kabila, wala eh. Ganyan. Yung kabila, diretsong kabit lang eh. Yung isa slide in mo. Para siyang may release. So, medyo gawin muna natin siya upright. Para hindi tayo mahirapan, no? So, it took me a little while na ayusin. Kasi medyo kailangan mo hanapin yung kanyang center. Yung dalawang side niya. So, finally, nagawa din natin. So, right now, we're going to mount yung 4 na screw dito. Doon sa kanyang base, no? So, there's yung gas lift niya. This one. So, ikakabit natin dito sa ilalim. Check lang natin yung orientation kung tama. So, you have to make sure na itong butas na ito is naka-face dito sa kanyang backrest. So, ganito maging itsura niya. Okay? So, mount it. Lagay ko na apat na screw here. No? So, medyo tricky lang din siya kasi naka-tilted siya right now. So, best talaga pag gumagawa ka na ito, you have an extra hand. Pero in case na wala, kaya din, pero kunting tiyagaan lang. Okay? So, kaya din naman, kahit walang extra help. So, last screw. Okay, so we're almost done dito sa kanyang base. Kailangan natin i-tighten using the Allen key. Kailangan nyo higpitan to, no? Ng husto, no? Kasi hindi pwede ito bumigay, eh. Na talagang mahigpit na siya. So, last is to put itong gas lift here. Okay? Based sa instruction. Okay? Tatayo na natin. For the first time. Ingat lang. Iyon! So, we're done. So, there are some little nitty-gritty things na kailangan mo ayusin. Like to, kailangan mo tanggalin ito mga to. Meron siya mga safety dito para hindi magasgas. Grabe, no? Dami ng protection. Just have to take them off. On the other side, ganun din. Then, meron siya mga takip din dito na kailangan mo ikabit. Which we'll do. We have this one. Ganito ang itsura niya. Pangtakip lang dito. So, makita mo, nakatakip na siya. And on the other side, ganun din. Yan. Okay, magnet siya. Then, of course, it depends kung gusto mo i-adjust tong handle mo, paloob or palabas. It depends sa inyo. Ako, I think, yung kanyang default is okay. Tapos, pwede mo i-adjust yung lumbar dito. No? Depende sa iyong preferences. Meron tayong dito yung sa kanyang handrest na yun yung pinaka-last na kakabitin natin. I think it's also magnet-based din. And the other one, ganito. May kakabit mo dito. Yun. Yan! Ganda, guys! Papakita ko sa inyo yung final form. And of course, yung ating memory foam. Just remove this ones. Diba? So ito na pinaka-final form na ginawa natin. No? It took us roughly 40 minutes to assemble itong buong assembly na ito, which is the Secret Lab Titan Evo series na cookies and cream na flavor. Flavor, I mean design. No? So I'll just recline it a bit. No? So test nga natin. Kung worth it nga ba pinanggarapan natin? Sarap. This is way better than all of the other na gaming chair na na-try natin so far sa aking studio. So guys, no, if you're looking for a really good na gaming chair, pwede mong gamitin to for podcast. You can also use this for vlogging. I mean, yung sit down and vlog, like sa akin, tech content, no? So, tech review. I think this is simply just perfect for aesthetically wise, maganda siya, no? Kasi, the reason bakit ko pinili cookies and cream is medyo may konting contrast, no? Kasi kung black na black to, hindi mo makita na Secret Lab yan, eh. The moment you see this logo, the Secret Lab, alam mo na, this is a premium chair, no? So, yeah guys, no? If you're looking for a really good, comfy, maganda aesthetics na gaming chair, I believe itong Secret Lab Titan Evo na series is a really good choice. There are other flavors na pwede mong pilihan other than cookies and cream, but for me, I think this one is the best. If you want to buy one of these, I'll pop the link on the description box below or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link para makita niyo kung saan doon bumili. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe sa akin channel so you don't miss out sa mga good stuff like this one, ang Secret Lab na Titan Evo cookies and cream flavor na gaming chair. So paano, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.